Let's look a little more at how to edit meshes with geometry nodes. Since there is no selection socket in the transform node, you cannot edit vertices. With the set position node, it's a bit more complicated, but it's possible. First, select the desired vertex. Select the vertices at the top of the cube using the position node. You can edit the positions of the selected upper vertices using the offset value. How can I reduce the size of selected vertices? If there is a set scale node, this would be easily solved, but the set scale node is not yet provided in geometry nodes. However, it is possible to change the scale through the scale mode of the vector math node. You can constrain the axes through separate XYZ nodes and combine XYZ nodes. If you add a subdivide mesh node, you can modify it to some degree. Adding a scale elements node allows for more detailed editing. In this way, modeling is possible in geometry nodes. This video ends here. Thank you.